Good morning, students. Welcome back again. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well at your home. This is grade 10, subject mathematics, chapter number 4, quadratic equation. In our previous videos, we completed chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Today we are going to start a new topic, which is chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Weightage of this chapter in a final exam is 6 marks. First of all, I introduce what is a quadratic equation and how look like quadratic equation. So look here, standard form of a quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c belongs to R, that means real number. A cannot be 0, x is a variable. Okay. This is a general form, or you can call standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay. Now it has a degree 2. That means here equation has 2 degrees. Now in this chapter we learn about 3 methods to solve quadratic equation. Which are 3 methods? First one is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is quadratic formula. Okay. What is a quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If this term, that means b square minus 4ac greater than 0, it has 2 distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it has 2 equal real roots. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, it has no any real roots. Okay. Sometime in a final exam, in a MCQ, there are a question according to this condition, 3 conditions. Okay. In further, we talk about what is a quadratic formula and what is a condition. But now today, only observe this is the standard form, degree 2. There are 3 methods and 3 conditions. Okay. Okay, now without wasting our time, let's start exercise number 4.1. Look, what is the exercise 4.1? Question number 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. We want to check these two are quadratic equation or not. This is the first example and this is the number 6 example. Okay. Okay, now look here everyone. I saw solution first. What is our equation? X plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Now expand this whole square and you know that what is the whole square of a plus b whole square? You all know that a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now I apply this formula here. What happened? X square plus 2x plus 1 and multiply 2 with both the terms. 2x minus 6. Now transfer these two terms on the left side. X square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Here 2x cancel. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, I can write this equation as a x square plus 0x plus 7 is equal to 0. That means this is a quadratic equation. Because I can express this situation in a ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. According to general form, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the second one? Now look, x square plus 3x plus 1, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Now again I use this formula here, whole square. That means This is as it is x square plus 3x plus 1. Now x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, here x square cancel. What is remaining? Transfer these two terms on the left side. That means 3x plus 1 plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here 3x plus 4x 7x plus 1 minus 4, that means minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is not a quadratic equation. Why? Because we cannot write here 0x square, because in our standard form we cannot take a is equal to 0. Okay? Therefore, this is not a quadratic equation. We have to check which one is quadratic equation or which one is not. Okay? This is the equation, this becomes not equation. Okay. Now look, what is the question number 2? Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. We want to represent this problem in a quadratic equation. Okay, that means we want to convert this situation in a form of equation. Okay, look here, what happened? Okay, first of all I read out example number 1. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Here we only represent this situation. We do not solve this example. Okay? Further we solve in exercise 4.3, 4.4. But here we only represent this situation in a quadratic equation. So here we have rectangular plot. So look here, what is the solution first? Suppose I draw a sketch of a rectangle. And now apply this condition. What is the area? Area is 528. I write area in a middle part. 528 meters square. And what is the length? The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Suppose I consider breadth is x. And what is the length? Length is a 1 more twice of breadth. That means length is equal to 1 plus 2x. Okay? Match that condition on the variable x. 1 more of twice of its breadth. Okay? Now, as we know that area is equal to length into breadth. Now put all this value here. Our area is 500, 280. What is the length? 1 plus 2x. And what is the breadth? X. Now solve this equation. 528 is equal to x plus 2x square. Okay? I multiply x with both the terms. Now transfer this 528 on opposite side. That means I write first 2x square plus x and minus 528 is equal to 0. Okay? Now this is the situation in a quadratic equation. We have done first example. Okay. Now what about second one? I read out. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find integer. Here, consecutive positive integer. What is a consecutive number? Consecutive number, that means after 1. Suppose we learn 1, 2, 3, 4, number system, 5, etc. Then these two numbers are consecutive, nearby each other. Also 3 and 4 is consecutive, 4 and 5 consecutive, 1 and 2 consecutive. Okay? So I let, suppose in a form of variable, suppose I let first number is x. Then what is the after number? We add 1 in this variable, x plus 1. Again add 1, x plus 2. Again add 1, x plus 3. This is a chain. To a number in a form of a variable, same like this. We add every time 1 and we get a below number. Okay, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. Same here, we add every time 1 and get a below term. Okay, So I let any two consecutive positive number. We let x plus 1, or you can let x plus 1, x plus 2, or x plus 2, x plus 3. Here we take two number. If we choose any three consecutive number, then we take x plus 1, x plus 2, etc. Okay? So I consider our two consecutive positive number is x and x plus 1. Suppose I write here roughly first integer is equal to x, and second integer is equal to x plus 1. These two are consecutive integers. Okay? Now what is the condition? The product of two consecutive integers is 306. Now by given data, product of these two, x into x plus 1, is how much? 306. Now solve this equation and convert it into quadratic equation. X square plus x is equal to 306. Now transfer on the left side, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, got it everyone? Okay. Now example number 3. What is the example number 3? Rohan's mother is 26 years old than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. Would like to find Rohan's present age. Here we have age problem and we have to convert into a quadratic equation. So first of all I let the present age of Rohan is x here. So solution number 3. Suppose the present age of Rohan is equal to x here. Okay. Now I apply this condition on this variable. What is our condition? Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is at 26 years older. Okay. So Rohan says therefore his mother age is equal to x plus 26 years, because his mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages, when 3 years from now, that means after 3 years, what happened? Rohan will be x plus 3 years and his mother will be x plus 29 years. I add 3 years here, x plus 3, and add 3 years, 26 plus 3, that means x plus 29. Okay. Now product of these two is 360. That means x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. Now simplify this one. Okay. I product these two brackets. What happened? X square plus 29x, x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 3 87 is equal to 360. Now we have x square, 29 plus 3, 32x, and plus 87 minus 360. That means 360 minus 87. That means 273. Okay, is equal to 0. Yes, we got it. This is a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Okay, now look, last example. What is the last example? First of all, I read out example number 4. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less than, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Here we want to find the speed of a train. So I let what is the speed? Solution. Suppose the uniform speed of a train is equal to s kilometer per hour. Also you can take x variable, but I write s for speed. Okay, take time is equal to t. Time is equal to t. And what is the distance? Distance is already given 480 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the distance. Now, as you all know that what is the formula of time? Time is equal to distance upon speed. Put this value here. Our distance is 480 and our speed is s. This is equation number 1. Now apply second condition. What is the second condition? Now this time speed had been 8 km per hour less than, it would taken a 3 hour more. Now this time taken 3 hour more. That means I add in a time 3 hour more. And speed less than 8. That means s minus 8. 480 upon s minus 8. This is the second one. Now solve these two equations. I put t is equal to this quantity here. Instead of t, I write 480 upon s. 480 upon s plus 3 is equal to, this term is same by 1 and 2. By equation 1 and 2. Okay. Now solve these two one. We get a quadratic equation. First of all, I take LCM on the left side. 480 plus 3s upon s is equal to 480 upon s minus 8. Now do cross multiplication. Okay. What happened? Look here. When I cross multiply 480s is equal to s minus 8 into 480 plus 3s. 480s as it is, s into 480, that means 480s s into this one, 3s square. Now minus plus minus, 8 into 480, that means 0. 3840 and minus 24s. Okay, here these two are cancelled. That means we have 0 is equal to 3s square minus, I write this one first, 24s, and at last minus 3840. If I divide every term by 3, what happens? 0 upon 3, that means 0 upon 3 and upon 3. That means 3 cancel. We have x square minus 3 8, that means 8s, and minus here 1280. Yes, 0 is equal to s square minus 8s minus 1280. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Even if you have any doubt, you can ask me in our doubt session. Thank you watching for this video. Take care. Have a good day.